On today's episode of WatchJRGo, I am here in the warehouse, and it's time! I know a lot of you guys have been waiting for this for a very long time, and I couldn't be more excited. What is going on, guys? I am WatchJRGo, and today, like I said, I'm here in the warehouse, and in, a matter of time, it will be empty, hopefully a very short while, because the floor guys will be here at 8 a.m. to get started. So this has taken a long time to get it all put together. The roof had to be done first because they couldn't deal with any water at all. That was the rule. Obviously it would ruin the epoxy, so I have a new roof. The roof was $70,000, and this floor, it's on fire. It is on fire, is gonna be $12,000. Now I've already paid for most of the floor because they needed the money to buy the material, but I cannot wait for this to go down. It's gonna be incredible. So what we're gonna do is get everything out of here, and the cars that aren't gigantic will go into the building next door, and the cars that are gigantic, well, the fire truck will go outside.
They're gonna go to the second warehouse.
They're going to the second warehouse. That's exactly right.
I'm not supposed to say it?
Yeah, don't talk about the second warehouse. That's the first rule of second warehouse. All right, hopping in the Atom now that the engine's done. Taking it out for a quick spin. I had almost forgotten how great this car is. It's so fast.
The exhaust is quiet.
Can you push faster? Oh, thank you. All right, anyway, so obviously VTEC just engaged. And we got a long way to go. The CVs are flapping around. Sorry about the uphill. I'm turning sharp. Okay, now we're downhill. We're good. Easy, easy breezy.
On the opposite of a wing.
We are flying. Absolutely flying. Turning it in high speed. Oh yeah, feel the G's.
Oh, can we do this in one push?
Yeah, absolutely. Oh, this car rocks to navigate. Oh no, the engine cover. Hey, thanks. Yeah, this thing only weighs like 1,500 pounds, 16 with me in it.
We were doing at least 17 there.
We were going 17 for sure. The Aztec is the car that never lets us down. Of course, I say it's the car that never lets us down, and I can't find the key anywhere. And I looked everywhere. Guess we go with the fire truck. Found the key. Let's see if she starts. I found it.
Where was it?
Where you said?
It's the most reliable car in the fleet.
I do not know how it sits for so long.
It draws no battery at all.
And yeah, it starts right back up every time. Since we're sitting in here, update on the Aztec. The transmission was pulled yesterday and will be ready. Well, is ready now. I just need to go get it. So I think they had it on a pallet ready to go today. Low fuel, change engine oil, maybe let me idle. I haven't been running in a year. All kinds of cool stuff on the dash of this. Eric's taking the Goldwing. Fire truck's still warming up, waiting on the air. I am taking the CanAm, which I rolled, update. There's a video coming on this, but it's honestly not bad. The side-by-side itself looks flawless. A little bit of dirt, didn't bend anything, drive straight, started right back up. Apparently it's a rite of passage though. Everyone said if you haven't flipped your side-by-side, you really have no idea what you're doing. And I was going hard on the donuts, caught an edge, and did a little and then we had to use the cheap truck to pull it back over, but it went well, as long as it starts today. Yep, hadn't been touched since it rolled. I absolutely love this thing. Makes me happy to no end. I guess we'll put this in the off-road slot. Starting up the big girl. Hadn't moved in a little bit. We'll let this guy warm up a little bit longer. Just for the sounds. Tokyo drift it, that's what I need you to do. Down, 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 down.
I made the noises.
I heard you make them. All right, the arcade machines are moving, and it's kind of some of the last stuff in here.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy. Rolling like a big shot.
Let it fall, man. It's all on you.
I'm holding.
I know my rights.
Well, this is definitely the first time there hasn't been a car over here since the day I moved in. Pretty ridiculous, and a lot of cleaning to go. I'm gonna come in here and degrease all the floors with super clean and finish cutting all these up with the grinder here in just a moment. And yeah, there's a lot of work to do. A lot of tools to put away over here still, clean up the Audi mess. But first, I think we'll do the important thing, which is ride the scooter, which is now way more fun than I have a lot of room. Pretty cool. This is incredible. I've got super clean on all of the oil spots around the floor, and I also put a bunch of super clean in the floor cleaner. I don't know if you're supposed to do that, but I did it. So it's getting filled up and I'm about to rock and roll. It's gonna be floor time. I cannot wait. We are making good progress over here. I just finished the first round of the entire floor for the most part. I need to move the trailer about now. It's definitely time to move that trailer. But all of this has been fully swept with the floor cleaner, and you can see some oil spots appearing. Wherever I see an oil spot, I'll come back with more super green or whatever that is, super clean. There's a pin, I need to pick that up. And I'm going around picking up all the trash, anything big the floor cleaner left behind, and we're just making it happen here. So it's looking pretty incredible. The shop has never been this empty. Even the day I moved in, it was full of junk. So it looks just wild being this open and lit up. One down, 2 more sets to go. Then we'll have everything out of the floor. I just need to get the grinding disc and flatten those until they're flush. Then they're gonna diamond grind the floor so they will be truly flush. Then obviously they're gonna fill all of this. So it'll look really cool with no cracks in the floor anywhere. A few minutes later with the thing that eats metal, and they're all cut. So now that they're all cut off, it's time to come back and make them level. I gotta switch over to actual grinding disc, like I said, and make these things all flush with the floor. There's a few other ones from before that need hit as well, and then we can get the floor cleaner over here. I'll pick up all my junk, and we'll be back to cleaning. This thing's a superhero right here. There's no way, like, this would be a multi-day job without this. Well, the floor cleaner is filling up for what is hopefully the last time tonight. I honestly don't even think I'm gonna run it again. I've probably been over the whole shop 3 or 4 times now, and it is very, very clean. There's no dust for the first time ever. I mean, obviously, if you were here for the videos when I bought this place, it was trashed when I moved in. The floors have never been cleaned. And this is the first time, other than, you know, little sections where we've cleaned, I've been able to clean the entire place. And it will get a little bit better tomorrow when I move the trailer over a bay and finish that little section right there that I'm gonna box up and slide over. And the Super Clean did a really good job getting most of the oil off. I've been going back and forth over the oil spots over and over and over. I really think this is working out. So, the next thing you guys see here from the shop is gonna be diamond grinding the floors to level them, and then scraping out the cracks, putting in filler rod, and then caulking them, and then it's time for epoxy. They're planning on a day or 2 days of prep, so I'm shopless for a minute while this magic happens, but when it comes back, I mean, it's gonna look wild. And tomorrow morning, I meant to do it this morning, but tomorrow morning, I'll order all white liner panel, and we will change the entire side of the shop to white, and of course keep vacuuming the insulation as time moves on, and then we're gonna recover the insulation as well. But it is really, really, really getting there, and I'm super excited about this. So, what a lot of progress. I hope you guys enjoyed moving all the cars. Actually, I'll take you next door real quick. This is the first time my current fleet of cars has been together, except for 8 of them. 8 of them are not here. And a few of these aren't mine, obviously, but for the most part, wild in here. I absolutely love it. Bikes are over here. As soon as the new liner panel goes up, we'll put all the cars over there and line them up, and then we'll get ready for the triple stacker lifts that go all the way to the ceiling. And that should be out of control when we can put 3 cars in an area this big, just the size of my arms. So that'll work out great for every generation Camaro. Anyway, that is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over to shop, WatchJRGo.com, where you can get cool shirts just like this. And by buying these shirts, you help support building crazy stuff like the Octane office, not the Fantasy Factory. And please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. I gotta be right back here in the morning. It's 2:30 in the morning now, and those guys said they'd be here early morning, so they'll probably be here at noon. True lies about the owl.
Their visions are trinocular.
Trinocular vision. They're able to zoom in at a distance of over 5 miles because their third lens kicks in.
Just make those videos.
We should. Oh man, there should be a True Lies series.